What if I told you that you could earn money from real estate without ever dealing with tenants, maintenance calls, or property management headaches? Welcome to the world of real estate investment trusts, or REITs, and more importantly, how to build a thriving Instagram presence that educates people about this incredible investment opportunity while promoting your ebook. Today, we're diving deep into creating a niche-focused Instagram strategy that not only educates your audience about REIT investing, but also builds a community of aspiring passive income earners. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete roadmap for transforming your Instagram account into a powerful educational platform that drives ebook sales and establishes you as a trusted authority in REIT investing. Let's start by understanding exactly who we're targeting. Your ideal audience consists of working professionals, young investors, retirees seeking passive income, and anyone interested in real estate, but lacking the capital or desire to manage physical properties. These are people scrolling through Instagram during lunch breaks, commutes, or evening downtime, looking for financial education that's both accessible and actionable. These individuals are typically between 25 and 55 years old, have some disposable income, and are actively seeking ways to build wealth without the traditional hassles of real estate ownership. They're drawn to the idea of earning dividends from real estate investments while maintaining their current lifestyle and career focus. Now, let's talk content planning. Your content calendar should follow the 80-20 rule. 80% educational value, 20% promotional content. This means 4 out of every 5 posts should purely educate your audience about REITs, real estate markets, investment strategies, and passive income principles. Start with foundational educational content that breaks down complex concepts into digestible pieces. Create posts explaining what REITs actually are, using simple analogies that anyone can understand. For example, compare REITs to owning a slice of a pizza instead of buying the entire restaurant. This makes the concept immediately relatable and shareable. Develop content series that build upon each other. Week 1 might focus on REIT basics. Week 2 on different types of REITs. Week 3 on how to evaluate REIT investments. And Week 4 on portfolio allocation strategies. This sequential approach keeps your audience coming back for more while building their knowledge systematically. Success stories and case studies are absolute gold for engagement. Share real examples of people who started with small REIT investments and built substantial passive income streams. Use actual numbers when possible, showing how a $1,000 monthly investment in REITs could grow over 10 or 20 years. These concrete examples make abstract concepts tangible and inspire action. Interactive content drives engagement through the roof. Host weekly question and answer sessions where followers submit their REIT investing questions. Create polls asking about investment preferences, risk tolerance, or current portfolio allocations. Use Instagram's quiz feature to test knowledge about REIT fundamentals, making learning fun and engaging. Your visual design elements need to scream professionalism and trustworthiness. Financial content requires a clean, sophisticated aesthetic that builds credibility. Stick to a consistent color palette of blues, grays, and whites, which psychologically convey trust and stability. Use professional fonts like Helvetica or Arial that are easily readable on mobile devices. Infographics are your secret weapon for complex financial information. Create visual breakdowns of REIT performance over different market cycles. Comparison charts between REITs and other investment options, and step-by-step visual guides for getting started with REIT investing. These graphics are highly shareable and position you as a professional resource. Consistency in branding extends beyond colors and fonts to your overall messaging tone. Maintain a balance between being authoritative and approachable. You want to sound knowledgeable enough that people trust your expertise, but friendly enough that they feel comfortable asking questions and engaging with your content. Storytelling transforms dry financial information into compelling narratives. Instead of simply listing REIT benefits, tell the story of Sarah, a teacher who started investing $200 monthly in REITs 5 years ago, and now earns enough passive income to take summers off. These narratives make investing feel achievable and relatable. Create before and after scenarios showing the financial impact of REIT investing. Compare two identical 30-year-olds, one who invests in REITs and one who doesn't. Show their financial positions at retirement, making the long-term benefits crystal clear. These comparative stories are incredibly powerful for motivating action. Every piece of content needs a clear call to action, but make them feel natural and valuable rather than pushy. After an educational post about REIT diversification, your call to action might be, Want to learn my complete REIT portfolio strategy? Download my free ebook guide linked in my bio. This feels like a natural next step rather than a hard sell. Video content, especially reels, should be dynamic and engaging. Use quick cuts, compelling visuals, and trending audio to maximize reach. Create 60-second explainer videos covering topics like 5 things nobody tells you about REIT investing, or how I earn $500 monthly from REITs. For carousel posts, use each slide to build upon the previous one, creating a complete educational journey. Start with a hook slide. Provide valuable information across multiple slides, and end with a clear next step. This format works exceptionally well for step-by-step guides and comparison posts. Hashtag strategy requires research and testing. Use a mix of broad hashtags like real estate investing and passive income. Medium-sized hashtags like rate investing and dividend growth. And niche-specific hashtags like rate portfolio and real estate passive income. Test different combinations and track which generate the most engagement and followers. Timing your posts correctly can dramatically impact reach and engagement. Generally, financial content performs best during weekday lunch hours and early evenings when people are thinking about their finances. Tuesday through Thursday typically see the highest engagement rates for educational content. However, test different posting times with your specific audience. Use Instagram Insights to identify when your followers are most active and schedule your posts accordingly. Consistency matters more than perfect timing, so choose a schedule you can maintain long-term. Engagement is where many accounts fail. Responding to comments isn't optional. It's essential for building community and trust. When someone asks a question about REITs, provide a thoughtful, helpful response. This not only helps that individual, but shows other followers that you're genuinely invested in their success. Create engagement-driving content that encourages comments. Ask questions like, what's your biggest concern about REIT investing? Or share your current passive income goal in the comments. These prompts generate discussions that boost your post's visibility through Instagram's algorithm. Collaborate with other financial educators, real estate professionals, and investment advisors. Guest posts, takeovers, and joint live sessions. Expose your content to new audiences while building valuable professional relationships. These collaborations add credibility and expand your reach organically. Track your metrics religiously. Monitor which types of posts generate the most saves, shares, and comments. Pay attention to which topics drive the most ebook downloads and adjust your content strategy accordingly. Instagram Insights provides valuable data about your audience demographics, helping you refine your targeting. Remember that building a successful Instagram presence for REIT education is a marathon, not a sprint. Consistency, value, and authentic engagement will gradually build a community of engaged followers who trust your expertise and are eager to learn more about passive income through real estate investing. Your ebook becomes the natural next step for followers who want deeper knowledge and strategies